What do Elon Musk, Bill Gates, and Mark Cuban have in common with me? Well, we are all going to be sitting in a luxury chair. I'm just going to be sitting in it a little bit longer than they do. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this chair that Kinnls sent me. It's in this giant box right here. And not only am I going to do that, but I'm going to sit in it for 24 hours straight. Is sitting in an office chair for 24 hours straight a dumb idea? Possibly. Will my butt go numb? Probably. Is this a good chair? Well, I don't know. Let's go find out. Well, I want to be kind of careful because I don't want to tear any of the material inside. Dude, this box would make a great fort. All right, so we got the base of the chair right here. Next, we've got the chair itself. Why is luxury so heavy? I recommend using 2 people for this. All right, so before we take this big thing out, there is some extra pieces that come with it. We got this box right here. We've got leather cleaning cream. That's fancy. We've got the wheels, which obviously we're gonna be putting on the bottom so this thing can roll. We've got white gloves just in case we don't want to get our hands all greasy and nasty. That's a really cool touch, actually. And then we've got this piston-looking thing. Someone in the comments is gonna yell at me for calling this a piston. We've got this, which is obviously gonna go at the bottom of the chair to regulate the height and all that. That's first box down. Second box up, we've got, ooh, this is probably going to go into the chair's massaging features, which we will get to later in this video. It comes with that, which is pretty sweet. All right, and then inside the white box, we've got a plug. Throw that to the side. They wrap this really good. I think opening things is what my calling was. Whoa, oh my God, what a beast of a chair. Well, right out of the box, the leather on it feels really good, so I can't wait to get this thing set up and satted. That is everything inside the box. I'm gonna cram this in here so I can get this out of the way so we can set this bad boy chair up. Okay, so before we start putting this on, I'm gonna put my gloves on just so I don't get my hands all greasy since they so graciously provided them.
20 seconds later.
All right, gloves are on. We're gonna take this baby right here and we're gonna stick it right there in that little hole right there. Then we're gonna take this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and put the wheels on so that I don't gotta do that later. Pop them right there in those holes. They actually go in pretty easy and they feel pretty sturdy in there. And the last one. Boom, baby, we got them all in. Now we're just gonna simply slide this on here, just like so. Now let's flip it right side up. Sweet. Oh, it just flips up. I thought I was gonna have to screw that on. Oh, this feels so comfy. Oh, I feel like a Busta Rhymes video. Enough playing around. Let's get the rest of this set up. So I'm gonna need to take you guys underneath the hood. As you can see, this part right here needs to be connected to this part right here. Just gonna take this pin out right here, just like that. And then we're gonna slide this out. We're gonna slip this right in there. Take this again, put the pin right through here. Boom. We're just gonna slide this pin right back in. So you just squeeze, and there we go. Got the pin back in. Looks like we got a couple wires right here that need to get plugged in. This one right here is going to be to this one right here. And that's gonna be your remote to control everything. We're gonna get to that again in a little bit. Yeah, you can take your handy little controller, by the way, and put it in this nifty little pouch that it's got right here on the side so it's not hanging and being all crazy. Kinnls thought of everything. This cord here is going to get plugged in right into this. Lastly, your power cord is gonna go right here into the side right here. And then now we just need to plug this bad boy in. All right, now that we got it all set up, there's only one thing left to do. And that's to spend 24 hours in this chair. Let's do it. right, so it is 8 a.m. on a Tuesday, and we're about to start this 24-hour journey. We're gonna test out all of the features of this chair, and I am tired and I need to start getting to work, so let the 24 hours begin. All right, well, so far I'm about 4 hours in and the chair doesn't feel too bad, but I do want to show you guys a feature really fast, just because I'm feeling like my back's kind of hurting from skating the other day, which is what I woke up with, so that doesn't have anything to do with the chair. But I want to test out the massaging features, so let's try that. All right, so we're all plugged in and I'm gonna pull out the remote here. So we're just gonna click on. Oh, I don't know if you can hear it going off right now, but it feels pretty damn good. All right, so there are a bunch of different modes that you can put it on. We're gonna try 2, and it goes 1 through 9, which is pretty dope. There's a bunch of different modes. So let's try 2. Wait, how do you switch that? Okay, so to switch between them, you're just gonna press function. And then it changes it up. Ooh, I'm getting some of my butt. I'm getting some of my back. Dang, boy. 3, ooh, I'm getting a little bit of a butt and a back. 4, ooh, 4 is pretty good. 5's okay. It's kind of the same as like 3, I think. Ooh, 6 is like an alternating between like thighs to butt to back to like lower back to higher back. I'm really digging 6. All right, 7 is more of like a pulse between the butt and the back. Ooh. Okay, 8 just seems like really random. And then finally 9. 9 is like a pulse that goes in 3s and just kind of goes up through your thighs to butt to leg to lower back and all over the place. If you see on here, you can also change the different levels over here. Let's do intensity. Right now it was on medium. We're gonna go to high. Okay, all right, I'm digging that. That feels pretty good. So it really depends on what you like as a massager. I know that there's some where it's like a fist that like goes into your back and like they move like that. This chair is more of like a vibrating feature where it goes like low, medium, and all the way up to high, where it gives you like that intense vibration. Feels really good. It depends on what kind of massage you like. So just so you know, it's not the kind of like ball inside that's hitting your back. It's more of like a vibration. And then other features on here, you've got a timer where you can kind of time it between 15 minutes, or you can have it go for 30 minutes and it turns off on its own, which is pretty cool. And then you've also got an auto manual button down here at the bottom. And then you've also got a position, so you can change which position you want it to hit you on your body, which I think is also pretty cool. All right, I gotta get back to work, but I just wanted to explain as thoroughly as possible in the middle of a work day and the middle of my 24-hour sitting in this chair of what those features are like. We'll get to more features here in a second. So let's continue on this friggin' 24-hour challenge. I am officially on hour 10 of sitting in this chair, which means I'm getting close to halfway through the 24-hour period. My butt feels pretty good. I've only had my leg fall asleep a couple of times, and that's only because I was sitting on it weird. But overall, this has been really awesome, sitting in a chair with like real leather. I've never had a chair with real leather. It actually does make a difference, and it's a lot more cushiony than my old gaming chair. In a minute, I want to take my chair out into the living room and game with it just to kind of switch it up and do something fresh with my 24 hours of sitting in this chair. But I also wanted to mention really quick, down here on the left, I just noticed it because I'm dumb, is that you've got a black thing right here that can go in and out. Basically, in is gonna lock your tilt and out is going to open it up. And if you haven't guessed from what I just said, you can tilt when it's open, and it tilts awesome. It goes from 90 degrees, which is up here, all the way back to 155 degrees. And I'm sure that's gonna help me when I have to inevitably sleep in this chair later tonight. I just wanted to give a quick shout out to my wife, who's been bringing me snacks and supporting me through this 24-hour sit. She also brought me some McDonald's, which I got some cool Pokemon cards in. That is freaking sweet. All right, I'm gonna finish up my work really fast, and then we're gonna head out into the living room to start gaming, to play one of my favorite games in the world, Hogwarts Legacy. I'm gonna have to wheel myself out there, and hopefully my wife will help me. I'll see you in a second. All right, I am officially done with work. I need to unplug this chair, so we're gonna push our way out of my office. You know what, actually? Maybe I should go pee real fast. just force myself to, because otherwise I might have to later. I'm gonna set the camera right here real quick. I'll be right back.
2 minutes later.
Success! Use this. All right, now that I've wheeled myself out into the living room and I'm still here in the chair, my butt still feels pretty good. It's not too bad. I mean, I've been sitting, I feel kind of stiff because I'm used to moving around a lot, but it feels all right. And I am going to now test this out as a gaming chair and game with this for a few hours. So as I get ready to play Hogwarts Legacy, I am going to adjust this chair. We're just gonna drop down a little bit. Boom, nice and smooth, so that works out pretty good. This is gonna adjust it up or back. I wanna go back, so we're gonna just adjust it a little bit. I also wanna do this. This is a really cool feature that you'll find on some other gaming chairs, but this one, I feel like Kinnls just did it right. Check this out. So right here, you gotta pull out, you gotta flip out, and now, dude, what am I, in like a freaking Lazy Boy or something? Look at this. This is freaking sweet. Alright, I've been playing Hogwarts Legacy for like 3.5, 4 hours, maybe more. I have no idea. I'm kind of tired of playing for right now, so I'm gonna just watch some TV in the chair and see how that goes. Alright, let's go to that now. Enough sitting in the chair in the living room. We're gonna do the last part of this 24-hour challenge, which is we're gonna try and sleep in this chair. We're gonna see if it works. I'm already pretty tired of being in this chair. Although it's not too bad, it's pretty comfy, but I'll give a review after I wake up from my night's sleep. But I gotta wheel myself back into the office, and Wallace is helping me here. Oh, don't wanna break anything. You're sleeping alone tonight.
Yay. Just kidding.
I'll see you guys here in a second. I'm gonna switch to the other camera.
Should I bring you a blanket?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Thank you. Love you.
Love you.
Good night. Sleep well with these crazy dogs. And I'm gonna probably not sleep very well. Or maybe I will. Who knows? We'll see. Good night.
Bringing him his blanket and pillow. Pillow and blanket. Do you think you need anything else?
No, I think I'm good. Sleep on the side like this.
You have your water and your phone charger, right?
Yeah, I do. Yep.
Awesome.
Thank you. I love you.
Love you.
Good night. This is actually pretty comfy. Okay, it's like 4 a.m. Still dark outside, and I need to pee really bad, but I can't get out of the chair until 8 a.m. So I'm gonna have to wheel myself to the bathroom. I'm gonna try not to wake up my wife when I do it. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Jesus, so bright. Okay, I'm gonna try to wheel this out. Oh. I'm just gonna say that peeing from an office chair is not easy. All right. I'll see you guys in a few hours, and I'm turning this off for sure. Oh my God, my eyes. Less than 4 hours now. Oh, it's so bright. Good morning. All right, so the time is currently 7:56. I gotta start working in like 4 minutes, but that also means that I will have completed the 24-hour challenge in 4 minutes. What can I say? I'm gonna give a review on this after I've woken up and I've like gotten like a shower, because I probably stink right now. So I gotta say, this wasn't the best sleep of all time, but it also wasn't the worst. I've definitely slept in worse places, but as far as sleeping in an office chair goes, This is a pretty good one. It is, it's 7:59, so, and it is 8 o'clock. I am done. I'm out of this chair. I don't even feel like I can get up right now. Oh, it feels so good. I'm gonna change and then let's do a review. Finally got a shower, and I also changed clothes, and I'm feeling fresh now. So it's time to do a review on the Kinnls office chair, and we're gonna go through some pros and cons, starting out with the cons. So con number one, this is a higher priced chair. So if you're looking for something a lot cheaper, this is probably not the chair for you, but if you're looking for something with a really good build, which I'm gonna get to just here in a second, then this is probably a good priced chair. It's pretty comparable to other chairs in the market with real leather and built as well as this one is. Also, shameless plug, if you want to get this chair for a cheaper price, you can go down and click the link in the description below and put an EJ15, which is a personal code that helps me out and helps you out because you get 15% off of this chair. My second con is that it is built really solid, so that's a good thing. However, it is heavy and it is hard to move around. So if you are maybe an older person, or maybe your floor is made out of paper, this might not be the chair for you. But this leads me into my first pro, which is that it is built really solid, and it feels like a really high quality office chair. My second pro is that obviously it has a massager on it with 9 different modes, and then it also has varying degrees of intensity, which I think is a really cool feature that they added in, and it makes it more worth the price. Third pro is that it is super comfy. Everything from the top to the bottom has foam that's like this thick, and it just feels great even after spending 24 hours in it. And as for my last pro, this is kind of a combo of 2 different things, but the leg rest that it has is easy to fold out, easy to fold in, and it's comfy on my calves while they're sitting on them. And then it also has an amazing tilt, which I can go back to like 155 degrees. So it makes working in it and also sleeping in it and really gaming and doing anything in it really comfy. And that concludes my pros and cons. Ultimately, it's up to you if you think this chair is right for you, but I will leave, like I said, a link down in the description below so you can get 15% off of your purchase. And with that, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and all those other stupid things that YouTubers say, and comment below if you have any comments on this chair. And I am going to leave a video right up here if you want to check it out. It was the last review that I put out on this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. My name's Eric J. Kinnls, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out. I'll see you next time.